Hello, good day, and welcome to this class. Last time we looked at applications of addition and subtraction of numbers. And we looked at addition and subtraction of decimals, algebra, and open sentences. Okay? So today we are moving further to learn multiplication of whole numbers. Multiplication of whole numbers. I believe by now we know our 2 times table and our 3 times table because that is the foundation of what we will learn a multiplication and a multiplication of whole numbers. Okay? So if we've not mastered our multiplication table, it's time we start working on it. Okay? Remember the multiplication by 2 is very simple. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. Okay? 1 2 is 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8, 5 twos are 10, 6 twos are 12, 7 twos are 14, 8 twos are 16, 9 twos are 18, 10 twos are 20, 11 twos are 22, 12 twos are 24. Okay? The same thing, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 6, 12, 2 times 7, 14, 2 times 8, 16, 2 times 9, 18, 2 times 10, 20, 2 times 11, 22, 2 times 12, 24. Okay? Remember, that is 2 multiplication table. 3 multiplication table, let's go. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30, 11 3s are 33, 12 3s are 36. Okay? Okay? If we count in threes, it becomes 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Alright? So I would love you to learn that. You can listen to this particular part and recite it over and over and over and over again. Okay? Now, multiplication and addition has a relationship. For example, if I have let's say number 1, I have something like 3 times 4. What do I need to do? The relationship between multiplication and addition is that I can get what 3 times 4 is by adding 3 in 4 places or 4 in 3 places. Where you now see, it now means that it's the same as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 in 4 places. Let's go. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Now notice that 3 times 4 is what? 12. Are you seeing it? So this is the relationship between between multiplication and addition. The same thing, if I have 4 times 3, for example, notice it's the same thing as adding 4 in how many places? In 3 places. We now add 4 in 3 places. Let's go. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So this I just showed you is simply a relationship between multiplication and addition. Now, before we move on, there's something we need to know about the foundation or the basic rule of multiplication. And it has to do with numbers multiplying 1 and 0. Now it says that Any number that multiplies 0 or multiplied by 0 is 0. Any number, let me just say here rules. 1. Any number multiplies any number multiplying, okay, let me use multiplying 0. Okay, so now let's not misunderstand this. Any number multiplying 0 is 0. Okay? 12 times 0 is 0. That's what the rule says. Any number multiplying 0 is 0. 0 times 35 is 0. Alright? Rule number 2. It says, any number multiplying any number multiplying 1 is that any number multiplying 1 is that same number. Any number multiplying 1 is that same number. Okay? So when we have 144 times 1 is 144. Alright? 1 times 58 is 58. So any number multiplying 1 or being multiplied by 1 is that number. These are the 2 rules we need to know now. Okay? Alright, now let's solve some other examples. Okay? So let's look at, let's call this example number 3. 5 times 6. Remember, 5 times 6 is simply what? 5 in 6 places. So let's go. It becomes 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. 5 in 6 places. And 5 in 6 places is what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Therefore, 5 times 6 is what? 30. Okay? Okay, let's look at this. Number 4. Let's have 10 times 4. Remember, this becomes what? 10 in 4 places. So here I can have this to be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. And let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40. Are you seeing it? So 10 times 4 is what? 40. Alright? Now, having said that, let's now look at multiplying 2-digit by 1-digit numbers, 3-digit by 1-digit numbers, and so on and so forth. Remember, our main target is on 2, 3 multiplication table for now. Then we'll move over to 4, 5, and 6. Is that okay? Alright, let's solve this example number 5, which says 43 times by 2. Is 43 in 2 places? Yes, but we are not going to use addition this time. Let's multiply out. Solution. Remember your tens and units. This becomes what? 43 times 2. I see the arrangement. So what we now do is, we use 2 to multiply 3, write our answer here. We use 2 to multiply 4, write our answer here. And that's all. Okay? Now let's go. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. So you now notice that 43 times 2 is what? 86. Alright? Let's solve this example, number 6. Here I have 111 times by 6. You now notice that in solving this, it becomes 111 times by 6. Look at this rule. Any number multiplying 1 is that same number. Now let's go. 6 times 1, 6. We go again. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 1, 6. Can you see that 111 times 6 is what? 666. Very simple. Right? Yes, it is. Now let's look at this. Few more examples and we are done. It's going to be a very short one. Number 7. 120 times by 2. Solution. 120 times by 2. Hope you are seeing my arrangements. Remember, 2 times 0, we write our answer here. 2 times 2, we write our answer here. 2 times 1, we write our answer here. And remember the rule says, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 1, 2. Simple. Alright? Let's look at this. 1 times by 4. 1122 times by 4. Let's solve it. Same thing. 1122 times by 4. Let's go. 4 times 2, our answer comes here. 8. 4 times 2, 8. It comes here. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 1, 4. I see how simple it is. We just need to learn the multiplication table. Example 9. Next I have 20,001 times by 3. You see, it's sounding big, right? But it is a very simple question. 20,001 times by 3. Are you seeing how I'm writing the number multiplying at the unit part? That's where it should be. Okay? That's where it should be. We write it at the unit part. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 2, 6. Simple, right? Sure it is. Very, very simple. Okay, let's solve one more example. Let's say I have 324 times by 2. We multiply, right? So solution. This becomes 324 times by 2. Let's go. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. So it's 648. Alright, just like I said, this will not be a very long class. But remember, there is too much work to be done here. Okay? We must master our multiplication table. So that is your number one assignment. Make sure you rehearse and recite your 2 multiplication table, 3 multiplication table at least. So that by the time we are meeting in our next life class, we will have them at the tip of our fingers. At the tip of our fingers. And multiplication will become so easy and easy as ABC. Alright? Okay. Thank you for being in this class. Remember, rewatch the video over and over again. Mostly that part I recited the 2 and 3 multiplication table for us to hone the skills and master the multiplication table properly. Alright? See you in our next class. Bye.